Do you realize that God will always use what you have to give you what you need? Many times we overlook the resources, talents, and opportunities that God has already placed within us. But the truth is, there is no ungifted person. Everyone has been given something of value. The key to unlocking blessings and breakthroughs is recognizing what is already in your hands. Psalm 24:10 reminds us that the earth is the Lord's and everything in it, the world and all who live in it. This means that everything we need already exists in God's provision. He has entrusted us with gifts, ideas, and opportunities, but it is our responsibility to recognize and use them wisely. When God blesses people, He doesn't give them something out of thin air. He uses what they already have. Moses had a staff, and God used it to part the Red Sea. The widow in 2 Kings 4 had only a little oil, but through obedience it multiplied it. The boy with 5 loaves and 2 fish in John 6 gave what he had, and it fed thousands. What you have may seem small, but in God's hands it becomes more than enough. One of the greatest resources God has given you is your mind. Your thoughts, creativity, and ideas are capital waiting to be invested. Instead of looking outside for answers, look within. God has placed in you the ability to create, innovate, and bring solutions. Haggai 2:8 declares, "The silver is mine and the gold is mine, declares the Lord Almighty." This means that divine resources are already available to you. You just need to access them through wisdom, faith, and action. Bible lesson. Psalm 115:16 NIV. The highest heavens belong to the Lord, but the earth He has given to mankind. Psalm 24:1 NIV. The earth is the Lord's and everything in it, the world and all who live in it. Haggai 2:8 NIV. The silver is mine and the gold is mine, declares the Lord Almighty. To everyone watching and listening to this, stop waiting for something external to change your life. Look at what you already have, your skills, your ideas, your creativity, your relationships. Ask God for wisdom to use them effectively. Your breakthrough is hidden in what you already possess. Trust God, take action, and watch Him multiply what is in your hands. The key to abundance is recognizing, developing, and using what God has already given you. Thank you for your time. Please like, comment, share, follow, or subscribe, and also turn on your notifications for more.